Welcome to Module 10 of Amudhakumar's online digital marketing course. YouTube Optimization. 1. Introduction to YouTube Optimization. Importance and impact of YouTube optimization on video visibility and audience engagement. 2. YouTube channel setup. Creating and optimizing a YouTube channel with a strong brand identity. 3. Keyword research for YouTube. Conducting YouTube-specific keyword research for popular and relevant video topics. 4. Video production best practices. Key elements for creating high-quality videos, including formats, resolution, lighting, sound, and editing techniques. 5. Video title optimization. Crafting compelling and keyword-rich video titles for improved search visibility. 6. Video description optimization. Writing informative and keyword-optimized video descriptions for better search rankings. 7. Tags and metadata optimization. Optimizing video tags and metadata to enhance content visibility in search and related video recommendations. 8. Thumbnails and visual optimization. Creating attention-grabbing video thumbnails to increase clicks and views. 9. Video engagement and viewer retention. Strategies for increasing viewer engagement, using intros and call-to-action overlays, and optimizing video length. 10. YouTube Analytics. Understanding video performance, audience demographics, and insights for optimization using YouTube Analytics. 11. YouTube SEO and promotion. Improving YouTube SEO, promoting videos through social media and collaborations with other creators. 12. Playlists and channel organization. Utilizing playlists for better video organization and improving viewer engagement, along with optimizing channel layout and navigation. 13. YouTube community engagement. Building an engaged community through audience interactions, comments, likes, and shares. 14. YouTube Live and Premieres. Exploring the features and benefits of live streaming on YouTube, optimizing live broadcasts and premiering videos. 15. Monetization and YouTube Partner Program. Exploring monetization options such as the YouTube Partner Program, advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise. 16. YouTube Copyright and Content ID. Understanding copyright policies, managing copyright claims, and utilizing Content ID for content protection. 17. YouTube algorithm and trending content. Understanding YouTube's algorithm and creating content aligned with trends for increased visibility. For course application and read the full article, check the link in description.